Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Genesis and I'm coming back to you with my AI pathing kind of well, goal here, mission. So I actually went ahead and redid almost all of the pathing systems. I actually went back to a grid-based system. I'm going to show you exactly how it works now. It's a little pretest before we get into the more complicated actual stuff he needs to learn situation.
Ready for orders.
So we have a little simple goal here set up. Now, I have not done this yet before, but in terms of like tested what I'm about to test with you guys. But I want to show you kind of how this works. So what I did is set up a little AI pathing system that generates just a grid base all the way to an objective. Of course, removing anything that intersects with an object that might get in the way. So you can see he's actually moving along this grid from point to point to point to point. It's just a point-based grid system. It's kind of like the A-star system, but I think a lot more efficient overall with that kind of an algorithm pathing system. Now, I don't have it set up right now. We'll get super close. I just want to get them in the general area. Could potentially, and I actually had a kind of version of it. It's just I wanted to be more simple right now, where it would actually, the closer it got, the less it would kind of break down the grid. The grid would become more complex. So you see that's exactly how it works. And we can even mess with it like, oops, I'm just going to spawn a bunch of these. And it's like, oh, get that back, get that back, get that back. He might just walk right through these just fine, but we'll see. So, and this is more of a challenge of like, okay, can you path around some shit? And there he goes. You can see that the arrows do not generate inside any of these cargo containers. And you can see he's actually moving from point to point. And you can get a lot more accurate detail if you make the grid really tiny. Like really tiny. And I see got through just fine using my systems. So this is not a waypoint, it's me literally using do move commands in certain spots. And he will not move forward if you get stuck. Like, yeah. So there we go. So that's all cool. Yeah, good job. You got an AI to move. What's the cool thing here? Well, the cool thing is I want them to learn from their mistakes. Every time they die, I want them to remember, ouch, that spot was bad. Let's not try to go there. And of course they're AI, so I'm sure they're going to fail at this many a time. But I set up a little maze up here with unidirectional turrets facing little death traps for them. What I essentially assume is the AI is going to try to take shortcuts to the position that we're trying to get him to go to, and just like normal armament pathing, but I want to kind of punish that. I want to punish the shortcuts. I want him to actually take the longer way around. So how are we going to do that? Well, how's he going to learn all that stuff? Usually most AI, they get shot in the face, they'll just keep repeating it. What I have it set up is every time he gets hit, he gets reset. He's got to go back to the beginning. So we have our AI here. You can see he's generating some points immediately. And I might have to reset this right in the beginning, because the pathing is telling them, okay, let's just go through here. It's not interesting. So they kind of explore around. The way the system is set up, the AI just kind of explore around. They try to learn what's a good path, what's a bad path. And we may run into some hiccups here. I'm not going to watch everything, because this will probably take him some time to learn. And actually, this is too good of a start. You kind of learned, okay, well, that goes nowhere, and I need to come back all the way around here. So he knows that he can't just go there. But, you know, that's a little too easy. I put this a little too far back, I think, from the starting point. Let's scooch this bad boy up. Let's put him right here. I want him to try to go out this front. And if you're wondering what that grave is, that's where that's their starting spot. That's where they reset. Oops, I need to do that. Okay, this might be a little bit better. We'll see. I think it's going to go back in the general area, though. Let's see. If I had a much smaller grid, you can create things where you know, you can't go through that wall, you dummy. Like, you actually can do path checks between each one, which I do not do. You can see here he actually gets stuck because I don't do that. Alright. We're going to spice this up a little bit more here.
Standing by.
So we got some old guy this time around. That's more like it. You can see it's just kind of cut across here. In a straight line. Nothing interesting. Well, now we got a first bad point. You see you got reset. It generates new waypoints. He's thinking. He's trying to think of where he can go. Well, looks like something happened here. This might need more work.
Awaiting orders.
They all share the same memory waypoint, or the same bad points, so we're going to reset them. Sometimes our movement's going to get a little glitch. There we go. He's going to try there. Okay, maybe then he's going to try here. Oh! That didn't work. Then it takes them like 5 seconds to kind of get completely reset, and then, okay. It looks like after they actually get hit, they don't work as well. Something messes up with their new move. Uh-oh. So we're going to look at the code really quick. We have a problem when he gets hit that they don't seem to want to move anymore. Definitely use the switch move. I think, oh, this is part of the problem right here. We need to do stop. Do stop unit. There we go. That was a problem. And this. That's something we need. Alright.
Awaiting orders.
He's like, okay, maybe if I go back this way. You can see he's avoiding that. Oh, no, that didn't work. I guess that's a weird issue we're having. He wants to move, but he's like not going. Do I disable his animation? Ah. It's like he gets scared.
Ready for orders.
Yeah, so we're getting some really strange issues, that's for sure. Okay, there we go. He's trying to go around this back way now. He's like, maybe I can be sneaky and sneak around the turrets. Well, he's gonna try. He actually did it. He snuck around the turrets. So now you can see he's gonna continue the rest of the path. I can't believe he snuck around the turrets. Wow. Okay, and then he's gonna go in here, and he actually just might run by. Nope, run by that one. Let's see if he resets okay. There is a strange issue with him resetting right now. Which is fine, because I am...
Ready for orders.
I think I might just have it delete them. Something seems to be happening here that I do not like. Yep. So what we're going to do actually is... I don't want to do this, but that's fine. Alright, kill him. Wait, hold on. Unit. Spawn. Unit set damage 1. Alright. We're going to set his damage to 1, and then we're going to, after 5 seconds, delete vehicle unit. Okay. I really don't want to do this, but I'm gonna use the create unit command. I want to just use the same AI over and over again, but apparently setting his position all of a sudden fucks up his pathing arm. I don't know why. You should just kind of keep going. I'm guessing it's a conflict with some do move, some ship. So we are just going to create a new unit. We're going to do create. Actually, we'll just add him to our group. Let's see if that messes him up, though. It just might. We'll see how it goes, though. And then I need the survivors
Awaiting orders.
class name. So copy to clipboard string type of cursor object. Just like that. None. Unit set pause get pause gen start. Alright, and then what we want to do is execute all this on him. It's not. Just like that. Okay, but the first one we need to go ahead and kickstart ourselves. And we can kind of see this guy's trying a different path this time. Yep. We get the same result. It's almost like starting. Oh. I think the arrows are actually messing it up. See, he keeps shooting a whole bunch of points right on top of each other there. As much as I don't want to do this, we are going to get rid of the visualizations of the points because I think AI are scared of those for some reason. And which is unfortunate, but that's okay. So we can get rid of the show grid and get rid of the show grid, and we'll see if that's what's causing the issue. I want to be able to let this run without me having to babysit them. It might not have even been. See, now he's not even moving. I'll do that right.
Ready for orders.
Did I comment out something I should have? No? Okay. We're gonna go ahead and see how this AI handles this here. This one's gonna try to sneak around the back again. Yep. Okay. I did not expect that. So we know this was a bad point in here, but he might try to slip around like this way or something. Oh, there's this. It's unfortunate the arrows are messing it up, but he tried to go further back. He's wondering if he went further, he just booked it further that he could do it. Well.
Static MGs, 75 meters front. Static MG, 100 meters left.
I have an issue here. In the hit, we have an error because I'm using unit again. I need to use this. I don't think I can make them part of my group because he just. Alright, I'll just create a group.
Waiting.
And all these little things that get in the way, like, I never expect. Like this, like, sometimes they just don't path.
Ready for orders.
I guess I'm not looking at him right.
Ready for orders.
Yeah, see, there's some weird bugs sometimes that really are frustrating. Like, there he goes. Now they're moving. Like, why wasn't he moving before? Oh well, any rate. See how far this guy gets. This is not as smooth as I want it to go, but it's like, oh man. He just stopped all of a sudden.
Ready for orders.
So there's some annoyingness going on here. I'm gonna make the I need to get within at least 3 meters. And I had another check to make sure if they're not alive, then don't move. Alright. This guy's trying a unique way to get around. He's just checking back there. Looks like he's gonna try the same thing. He's gonna try to sneak around. Huh. I can't believe that works. Okay, I have to go to this point here. See the way the pathing works. Okay, so they're really trying to get over there. We might have to adjust the system entirely. Because this is not working how I want it to work. Because like now he's not moving. It's such a weird issue, like I have to like jumpstart them sometimes. It's actually really frustrating.
Waiting orders.
I know Arma sometimes has some weird issues with their AI, but oops, well. What I'm thinking is happening is that they keep getting points around here that they're trying to get to, and they keep dying here. And they're thinking those points are safe. And so there's a couple things I can do, is increase the sensitivity of the... They're checking for bad points. Right now it's just, let's do 15 meters. Let's look a good 20. Oh, this guy's not gonna... Yeah, he tried a different direction. Oh, and blop. Well, he just died. Sorry, buddy. And this guy's probably like, oh, he's going. Okay, maybe there needs to be like a sleep or something before I do the, maybe I'll try that. This guy's just going right away. Yeah, he's trying this path now. And that's just not going to work. So what we're going to do actually is, okay, now they're just going. Oh, yep. I'm going to make it more reliable by, I'm thinking, adding a sleep 0.5 here. Adding a sleep, like, giving them 5 more seconds before they even, 3 more seconds, let's do 5. But the move, just like that. Alright. So what we need to do is kind of reset this. Bam. And then,
Ready for orders.
I can't, this is not ready to be automated quite yet, but that's what I need to do for the end goal. Let's automate it, because this is, I mean, they need to run like a lot of times. But, so we give them 5 seconds, remember. There it goes, okay. Hopefully this will help it be automated more. If I was actually making a game, I would spend a lot more time with the path system actually following appropriate ways. The way I've done it is going to be prone to a lot of these errors. I would need to create a system that literally plots a point, plots a point, plots a point, and checks between that they both can be connected. Oh well. Now see, now they're trying to go in front of them a lot more. It seems really strange. Okay, maybe giving them a couple seconds to initialize has really helped a lot. I'm kind of getting tired of them going back here. So I'm actually going to push us up back where it was before. Oops, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I just screwed them up. Yeah, see, moving them around just screws them up. Oh man, did I mean to do that.
Awaiting orders.
Yeah. See, that's been 5 seconds.
Waiting.
Okay. Okay, he's still to go. Looks like he's checking out the inside of this building. Where is he? Where's he going? Once I get this automated, you just let it run, and they will eventually kind of just go around every spot. So I wonder if I can even speed it up more. Let's rip his animation. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can. Yeah, that's real nice. Let's see if this is more automated now. Okay, with the NFC, I just realized with that they're gonna run by. They might actually be able to run by a lot of these things. That's fine. Well, look at this though, so you can see he's avoiding it. Oh, he learned. Okay. You can see right there he learned. Oh. He can just completely avoid this area entirely. You can see he kind of wanted to go in there, but was like, nah. Okay. Come all the way around here. Just get to there. And I think he's not going to even bother with... that area. So I'm actually going to add in a thing right here. I'm going to try it one more time. He's going to make it all the way around. So he finally was able to learn about this area. Took up many trials. You can see that he's just having fun wandering around. So we're almost have to make this area right here a trap. So I want him to completely avoid that. Alright, I'm going to kill him. Hopefully reset him. Let's see though. Oh, does that not count as the killed event handler going off when I kill him like that? Really? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Standing by.
Oops, did it again. Alright. Well, he's trying a different path. Yeah. Got him killed. Yeah. This whole thing we're seeing right here is definitely very annoying. The way to kind of correct that is you have smaller, I think smaller grids that kind of only, once they hit like a wall, you do different kind of grid generation system. Like when they hit a wall they stop. He snuck around. So I kind of expected them to kind of go back around this way, but they apparently found a sneaky way. And let's see if they avoid here again though. Yep, he's avoiding it. Mm-hmm. Okay, now I'm expecting him to do a very similar thing. It's kind of annoying how he has to go all the way around and through it here. Yep. Look. Alright, alright. Don't tell me. Is he gonna go? Okay. And. Okay, I was about to say.
منتظرم.
منتظر دستورم.
So let's see if they learn from that point. I think this is finally automated. I'm gonna give it one more shot because this has been going on for 30 minutes already. I'm gonna give it one more shot this video. I'm gonna let this just sit here and go for a while. And we want to see now if he's gonna learn not to go over here. Let's see if they kind of learn to avoid that area, go around just a little bit, even up through here. So there's a lot of different options. This definitely isn't the hardest little puzzle, right? Oh, you didn't get it that time. Let's see what they decide to do, actually. That time the turrets got lucky. So now you know, the AI is going to be like, okay, gotta find a new path. And they're probably going to do the same little loopy bullshit. You know what? I know what I could do to fix this. I'm getting tired of it. Like, this is just sucking up so much time. I won't do it this time around, but I'm going to put turrets in here just facing this direction and tell them, stop fucking going over here.
حاضرم.
منتظرم.
There's no need. Alright, so he's going to try to sneak by again. Okay. I can already see like a little bit nitpicks things I can do where I think the pathing could be better. For sure. You can see when he gets to the points because he slows down. And I could fix that by removing the sleep entirely and be a lot more smooth fluid motion here. Kind of half expected them to go up like this way, but they want to kind of cut through this way. You know, it'd actually be kind of interesting to yeah, generate a better like pathfinding system where they keep track of where they've moved to get through an area. In Arma 3, like where this could actually mean something is potentially more in larger scenarios of knowing where a lot of friendly AI have died and being able to track that and adjust waypoints that get placed by like VCOM. You can see that he's avoiding it already. Oh. Let's see though how well he avoids it. He might go the wrong direction. Nope, he went the right direction. So that's pretty neat actually. They learn pretty quick. And let me see if he actually gets around correctly if he's going to try to go do something stupid. So I think that actually concludes this. You can see that in this I probably spent roughly 10 hours on this project, this mini project. This mini series. We got an AI able to path all the way around right where I want him to. And with a pretty rough grid system, like it's in 10-meter increments, so the fine detail movement, like the fine movement detail, he doesn't have. And so he's able to get there. Look at that.